Yes, yes, yes. Can you see how happy my hair is? We are doing a flat twist today, and to see how I got this amazing look, just keep watching. Hey friends, welcome to Naturally Corporate. My name is Regina and it is wash day. I am doing a twist out, which is my hair's first love, my natural hair's first love. And over the course of me having this YouTube channel, I have gotten a few requests on how to flat twist, but I just didn't feel like I was an expert at describing how to do a flat twist. But I just got another request a few days ago and I said maybe it's time, so I am doing a flat twist out. It's what I do best. I feel like my hair really looks great in a flat twist out. You know, I prefer twist outs versus, say, wash and goes. But anyway, so this will be a tutorial on how to flat twist, and I'm also using some products that I'll be using for the first time, and they are from Allocate Naturals. I have the lemongrass leave-in conditioner and also the lemongrass super twisting butter. So happy to be trying these out. Let's get into this flat twist out. All right, so you can do twist outs on wet or dry hair, and of course I'm doing a wet set today. For me, I think I just get better, a more defined twist out when I do it on wet hair, but dry still looks very, very nice. So I start by making a part. If you're wearing a part, make sure you do that. It just kind of sets the base for what direction your twist out will fall, and you'll want to make sure your hair is free of tangles so it'll be smooth. The smoother your hair is, the more defined and uniform your twist out will be. Also, make sure that you make really nice clean parts in your hair for your twist out. Now, I'm using a wide tooth comb, but that's because I have fine hair, and I just decided I would take a, be a little bit more gentle for this tutorial, and that's why I'm using a wide tooth comb. But you can certainly use a fine tooth comb to make your parts if you think that will help you put those in better. And please excuse any flakes that you see in my hair. I promise you my hair is clean. I have dermatitis, and if I don't scratch those flakes out before I start doing my hair, they will definitely lift up during the whole shampoo and conditioner process. So you may see some flakes along the way as I am doing my hair. So I applied the leave-in. I didn't show that part on camera, and now I'm just applying the styler. And make sure when you're applying any products to your hair, when you're doing your flat twist out, make sure that you don't neglect the ends. I'm guilty of it, or I used to be guilty of it, but we tend to focus more on the hair near the roots and then the length of the hair, but sometimes we forget to get the ends. All right, now here is the very first twist out. Now, I'm showing it to you in real time, but I promise you, coming up in just a minute, I'm going to slow it down and also show me installing the flat twist from a different angle. I decided to leave this one in because if someone is new and really learning how to do flat twists, this angle still might be beneficial, So just flat twist, and continue twisting until you reach the base of the hair. And once you get down and you can't flat twist anymore, just finish off that twist with a basic 2-strand twist. Now here's my second flat twist from a slightly different angle, and I am going a lot slower than I normally would be because the styler I'm using, it's new. I've never used this one before, and it doesn't have any slip. So my fingers are kind of like, trying my best to make it through my hair. But I kind of found my groove with it as I got further along installing my flat twist. So also, if you find that your hair is getting dry, just spray a little water on it to loosen it up, and that can also help in your flat twist installation process. But that wasn't the case here, but I just wanted to throw that in. But this product, didn't have a lot of slip, so I was struggling trying to get through my hair and also just trying not to break any off. So I've got those first 2 flat twists in, and now we're going to slow it down a bit. Flat twisting is over and under, gripping hair from underneath. And just take your time. If you think about it like this, it's like doing a 2-strand twist, except you're grabbing and adding in hair as you go along and keeping your hands close to your scalp. So you scoop up hair with one hand, join it in with the other hair, and twist it under with the other hand. And sometimes it's hard to tell if I'm grabbing hair from the right section, y'all, so that's why I'm feeling around for the part. That's what I'm doing with my fingers, like right there. And I do this to make sure I'm not grabbing hair from the wrong section. But it's over, under, grab. You'll always have one hand scooping up the hair and the other hand joining that hair in with the twist. So just keep going. It's under, over, and then you grab it. And when there's no more hair left to twist, just finish it off with a two-strand twist, just like you saw in that very first twist. I am wrapping up this last flat twist, and then I'm sitting under my very loud but effective hooded dryer. I was supposed to get myself a new hooded dryer for Christmas and didn't. But the good thing is that's something you can purchase any time of year round. So I do plan on getting myself one. That's my landline. Hold, please. All right, finishing up this last flat twist, and I'm going to sit under the dryer and then come back and we'll take these twists out. All right, my hair is dry. I just got from under the dryer, and y'all, it never fails. I always seem to miss a little bit of hair when I'm doing a flat twist. But anyway, I am sitting in front of a window and trying to catch this last little bit of daylight before it gets dark. So I'm gonna take my twists out. here are the end results of the beautiful flat twist out that we did, and it was easy. I hope that if this was your first time seeing how to flat twist, that you felt it was easy and easy to understand, easy to do, and also easy to follow along and understand. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like. I love flat twist outs. I have fine hair, and I just feel like this is a style that complements my fine strands. My hair never looks thin or see-through when I do twist outs, and you get volume, you get fluff, and you know, your parts don't have to be perfect. Even your twisting technique doesn't have to be perfect. Just do the best you can and keep practicing at it. The more you do it, the more it will just get easier and easier. So let me know how you like this twist out, and if you thought this flat twist, this how-to flat twist tutorial was helpful. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and keep it naturally corporate.